Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC coupe. This one's a polar white. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with front and rear LED daytime running lights, sport suspension. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, a set of all-season floor mats, C300 4MATIC badging. Coming up front here, this one does have blind spot assist. Nice brushed aluminum trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, Burmeister sound system. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, a nice gloss black center console, dual climate zone, radio, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center. This C-Class has 40,763 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.